Hello everyone, welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, Integrated Campus, Hyderabad, Estimation, Quantity Surveying and Valuation. I'm Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In previous video, I explained about how to solve the problem by long wall. In separate long wall method, or individual wall method or long wall, short wall method, I explained about how to calculate long walls. In this video, I will explain the same problem, how to calculate short wall. See, here the same problem, same dimensions here. Now, see, if you see, as I said, there are two long walls and two short walls. If you look at this plan, what you are observing here, there are two short walls of clear span 4 meters. Okay. So in the problem, when you are going to solve, what is the first step you have to do? First, you have to observe the plan and section and the section. Okay. You have to imagine both. You have to comparison. See here, the wall width is 0.3 meters, that is 300 mm. Here wall width is 0.3. Height of the wall is 3.5. And length is 5 meters, width is clear, width is 4 meters. This is a uniform wall, symmetric wall all around. And your foundation also symmetric all around. Say this is a very simple problem, room of size 5 meters by 4 meters. That is here, they have not given for excavation, and this is bed. For to understand this problem is given, first one is first step, this is first step, 0.9 meters, right? Second step is width is 0.6 meters, and third step width is 0.5 meters. And also each is same given 0.3 meters height, first footing, second footing, third footing. And what is the height of your wall is 3.5 meters. Here you have to picturize and you have to imagine these values, because this is only small example, and we'll see number of steps, excavation, footing, different sizes of beams. So to understand the concept, I'm explaining this simple problem here, and we'll do some more typical problems in coming topics. And already we calculated long wall out to out. Now here in the short wall into n, long wall out to out, short wall into n. See here, what is short wall? Here this is the short wall, right? Here the short wall. Long wall is from here to here is long wall. There are two long walls, there are two short walls, right? Now, if you first step is we will calculate center to center length. So here from ear to ear, this is the center to center of your walls, short wall. So clear span is how much? Here 4 meters, right? Here 4 meters. So here you have to add half of width this side, half of width this side. So what this is we are doing here, what we are doing here, you are adding 4 meters plus 0.3 one side wall width by 2 and other side 0.3 by 2, that is 4.3 meters. See, here suppose the wall size you are considering perpendicular direction, transfer direction width. Suppose this width is 0.6 meters, then you have to take here 0.6 by 2. Suppose here 0.4, here you have to take 0.4 by 2, like that. So in this way, you have to calculate. So we have added 4 meters plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2, you got 4.3 meters, that is center to center. This is 4.3 meters. Here, what is the value of this one? 4.3. Right? So here you got 4.3 meters. This is first step, start length. Right? Next one is footing. Actually, as per general problem, we have to calculate first excavation, but area is not mentioned, not given any dimension, then PCC bed, then we'll come to up to first footing. So here how to calculate first footing into N, right? This is our aim. How to calculate? Here, see, now first footing short wall length into N. There out to out. Here, what is the distance is from here to here? 4 point from center to center. Center to center is 4.3 meters, right? From here to here, 4.3 meters. 4.3 meters minus 0.9. This is width of your first footing, right? Your width of first footing. Your width of first footing is 0.9 meters. So 0.9 meters by 2, 0.9 meters by 2. Because it is a symmetric footing, we have to subtract -1 one side and -1. So it may be different. You have to observe this cross section. This is this cross section. Cross section may be different. Suppose in this cross section, if you have 1.2, here you have to take 1.2. So listen carefully, and here transfer direction foundation you have to take, because suppose this is say 1.2, already you will excavate like this. So from center, how much you take? This 1.2 minus by 2 by 1.2 by 2. We have to subtract from center to center. This is center to center, right? So here, if you look at this, you will understand it in a better way. The center to center is 4.3 meters. Now suppose this is now given 0.9. Suppose for example this is 1.2 meters. You have to subtract half of this 1.2 by 2. Okay. So not this section. This is 0.9. This will do in longitudinal, long to long wall. So similarly, what you got, this is here first footing calculation. If you calculate 4.3 and minus 0.9, 0.9. So this is a similar, suppose you excavated like this, width of 0.9 meters, width of 0.9 meters. Say already this is excavated. So remaining how much? See, remaining is for short wall. This is the short wall, right? This is short wall. See, Here, this is the short wall. We have to calculate. How to calculate? You know, center to center length and minus this half of width of foundation. So this we have to calculate because already excavated. We will not calculate it. Already this foundation, first footing done. Here first footing done. So if you take from up to here, what will happen? It will overlap. To avoid this, what we are doing? We are doing only up to here to here, right? Here to here we are calculating. So this is the area foundation we have to calculate. That is the here I'm showing here. See, this is very important. The concept, this concept. Similarly, for second footing, if you go for second footing, the value is 4.3 meters minus this 0.6. See, this 0.6 here, how much here the value? 0.6. So 0.6 by 2 meters and 0.6 by 2 meters 2 times. If values vary, you have to deduct that much. So this transfer direction foundation, like this direction, okay, this direction width of second footing. So this is 4.3 and minus 0.6 by 2, 0.6 by 2, you got 3.5 meters. Similarly for third footing, 4.3, this is, you have to take 0.5 meters. By 2, 0.5 meters by 2, you got 3.8 meters. And short wall length is, and this wall height is 3.5 meters, right? So this is 4.3 and 0.3 by 2, 0.3, 4 meter. That is clear span. From here to here, we have to calculate this value. So here, observe this, one of the important point. Here, observe here, one of the important point. Short wall, as you see, short wall, here, what will happen? This is first footing is into is 3.4 and second footing 3.5. Third footing is 3.8. Superstructure wall is 4. This is increasing. This is increasing. So as you are going from substructure to superstructure, this value increases. Whereas in long wall out, it decreases. So here short wall length usually increases from earthwork to brickwork. This is one of the important point you have to remember, right? See, the concept is very important. If you understand this problem, you can do any number of problems. We'll see next.